The year is 2025. AI is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. It wakes us, chooses our news, suggests breakfast. Our homes listen, our cars drive themselves. Calendars managed by intelligent assistants. This change happened quickly, almost unnoticed. Like a quiet tide, AI reshaped our shores. We invited these algorithms into our homes and workplaces. They promised convenience and efficiency and delivered. Mundane tasks automated, information instant. We trusted these digital companions, indispensable like old friends. Integration was subtle at first, a smart speaker, a helpful app. Then it became profound, understanding our preferences deeply. AI learned our habits, anticipated our needs. The line between human choice and AI suggestion blurred. Are we choosing our path or following an algorithm? New questions for a new age. The world today is a partnership of humans and algorithms, but who is leading whom? This is not always clear. The gentle hum of AI is the background music of our era. It is in our schools, helping children learn. It is in our hospitals, assisting doctors. It is even in our wars, flying drones. We stand at the dawn of an algorithmic age. The future is unfolding, one line of code at a time. AI is not just a tireless worker, it is also a creator. This is perhaps the most surprising development. We once thought creativity was uniquely human, but now, algorithms compose music, write poetry, generate paintings. This forces us to ask, what is art? What is creativity? If an AI can move us with a melody, is it less real? The boundaries are becoming wonderfully, terribly unclear. The cognitive abilities of AI are also expanding. AI can master complex games like Go or chess. It can sift through vast amounts of data, finding patterns humans miss. This power is used in science, medicine, finance. It accelerates discovery, solves intractable problems, but it also concentrates immense analytical power. AI can analyze medical scans with incredible accuracy. Sometimes it sees signs of disease earlier than human doctors. This can save lives, improve healthcare for millions, but it also changes the role of the doctor. Will doctors become mere supervisors of AI decisions? What happens to the human touch in medicine? The patient-doctor relationship is being redefined. Technology offers progress, but at what cost? How do we coexist with intelligence that is not human? The story of automation is as old as human ingenuity. From the water wheel to the steam engine, we sought efficiency. But AI-driven automation is different. It is more pervasive, affecting cognitive labor too. Tasks that once required human thought are now automated. Customer service chatbots handle inquiries. Software writes basic news reports. Algorithms manage financial portfolios with precision. Factories are becoming silent ballets of robotic arms. They work tirelessly, day and night, without breaks. This increases productivity, lowers costs, but it also means fewer jobs for human workers in manufacturing. The lights-out factory is a symbol of this new era. Efficiency is maximized, human presence minimized. This transformation echoes through supply chains globally. Beyond the factory floor, AI manages complex systems, logistics networks, traffic flow, energy grids. These systems are too complex for humans to manage alone. AI can process data and make decisions in real time. This brings a new level of order and control. It also creates new vulnerabilities. What if these critical AI systems fail or are hacked? The scale of this automation is vast, global. It touches almost every industry, every sector. This wave of automation is more powerful than previous ones. We are building a world increasingly run by machines. The rise of intelligent automation brings economic disruption. Many jobs that were once stable are now at risk. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, delivery workers. Their livelihoods are threatened by self-driving technology. Cashiers in stores are being replaced by self-checkout systems. Even office workers performing routine tasks. Their roles can often be automated by sophisticated software. This creates widespread anxiety about the future. This job displacement is not just about low-skilled jobs. AI is beginning to impact highly skilled professions too. Radiologists, financial analysts, lawyers, even those with advanced education are not immune. The traditional path of education, job, security is less certain. We need to rethink our approach to careers and skills. Lifelong learning will become essential for survival. The economic benefits of AI are also not evenly distributed. Wealth created by AI tends to concentrate. It flows to those who own the AI systems. This could widen the gap between the rich and the poor. It could create a new, useless class. People whose skills are no longer economically valuable. Governments and societies must grapple with these issues. Ignoring these tremors is not an option.
Section 5. The Fading Human Touch. Social Interactions in an AI Age. Our social lives are being reshaped by AI. People are often staring at screens, interacting with digital assistants. Face-to-face conversations sometimes feel less common. We communicate through text, emojis, algorithms. The quality of our interactions may be changing. Are we becoming more connected or more isolated? AI can facilitate communication across distances, but can it replace the warmth of a human presence? AI companions are becoming more sophisticated. They can talk to us, listen to our problems. For lonely people, this might offer some comfort. Elderly individuals might find an AI a helpful presence. But is this a true relationship or a simulation? An AI cannot feel empathy, cannot truly understand us. It can only process data and generate appropriate responses. Relying on AI for emotional support raises ethical questions. What does it mean for our capacity for human connection? Children are growing up in a world saturated with AI. AI tutors help them with homework. AI toys entertain them. How will this shape their social development? Will they learn to prefer the predictability of AI? Will they struggle with the messiness of human relationships? Technology should bring us together, not drive us apart.
Section 6. The Mirror of Meaning. What is our purpose now? For centuries, human purpose was often tied to work. Our labor gave us a sense of identity, of contribution. But what happens when AI can do many of these things better? If AI can write more eloquently, compose more beautifully, if it can diagnose diseases more accurately, drive more safely, what then is the unique purpose of human beings? This is perhaps the deepest question AI forces us to confront. We thought our intelligence was our defining feature, but now we have created non-human intelligence, an intelligence that learns and evolves. This challenges our place at the top of the cognitive pyramid. It forces us to look for meaning beyond mere intellect. What makes us special, if not just our brains? The search for meaning is an ancient human quest. Religions, philosophies, art, all have tried to answer it. Now, AI adds a new urgency to this search. If our traditional roles are diminished by technology, we must find new sources of purpose and fulfillment. This is a challenge, but also an opportunity for growth. Section 7. Beyond Calculation, the Irreplicable Spark of Humanity. While AI's capabilities are astonishing, it is not human. It operates on logic, data, algorithms. But it lacks the lived experience of being human. It does not know joy or sorrow in the way we do. It cannot feel the pang of empathy for another's suffering. It cannot understand the fierce love of a parent for a child. These are not things that can be programmed or simulated. They are born from our biology, our evolution, our consciousness. This is a fundamental difference, a crucial distinction. Consider the power of empathy, the ability to feel with others. This is the foundation of our morality, our societies. It allows us to cooperate, to care for the vulnerable. AI can be programmed with ethical rules. It can be trained to make fair decisions based on data. But it cannot possess genuine compassion. It cannot understand the nuances of human suffering, or the profound hope that can arise from shared kindness. This human capacity for deep connection remains unique. Our consciousness itself remains a profound mystery. The subjective experience of being alive, of feeling, of knowing. This is where our irreplaceable value truly lies. Section 8. The Unseen Algorithm, Empathy, Ethics, and Human Intuition. Human creativity, when it stems from lived experience, is unique. A story written by someone who has known love and loss. A song composed by a heart that has soared and broken. These carry a depth and authenticity that AI cannot mimic. AI can learn the patterns of human expression. It can create technically proficient works. But the soul, the deeply personal human journey, is absent. The art that truly moves us often speaks from this place. It connects us to the shared human condition. Ethical decision-making requires more than just data and logic. It demands wisdom, empathy, and a sense of justice. AI can be programmed with ethical frameworks, but these frameworks are designed by humans, and real-world ethical dilemmas are often complex and ambiguous. They require balancing competing values, understanding context, a judge making a ruling, a doctor making a life-or-death choice. These decisions often rely on human intuition and moral judgment. Can we truly outsource our conscience to machines? Human intuition is a powerful, if mysterious, force. That gut feeling, that sense of knowing without knowing why, it is honed by years of experience, both conscious and unconscious. These are aspects of human intelligence AI cannot easily replicate. Section 9. A Symphony of Minds, Forging a Future with AI. The narrative of AI versus humans is compelling, but it may not be the most accurate. Perhaps it is a partnership to be forged. AI can be an incredibly powerful tool in human hands. It can help us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges: climate change, disease, poverty. AI can help us analyze data and find patterns, or helping engineers design sustainable energy systems. Imagine AI personalizing education for every child. These are not utopian fantasies, they are real possibilities. We must guide the development and deployment